one, lift off! Rocket flying all around. Rocket ships are gliding up and down. They fly away up high, way up to the sky. Then they come back down, all the way down to the ground to launch again. And then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! Rocket ships, they fly really slow. Well, they fly just slow as they can go. And they fly really fast, really, really fast. And then they come back to the ground slowly and safely. When I walk into my music classroom, I am greeted by a bunch of kids going 10, 9, 8. I say, okay, sounds like you guys want to launch some rockets. Let me tell you a little bit about why that is what happens every day. First of all, it's because of these rockets. They are shakers, and they are really the star of the show. So Stephanie Leavell of Music for Kiddos, which is an incredible resource for songs and activities to do with kids. She came out with a new song that is Rocket While You Rock It. And so I knew right away I was going to be making some rockets. They are 3D printed, and anyone who has a printer can print them. We have them up on our website on Medley Music Access and Inclusion, which is music-access.com. And in the teacher resources, you can find the link to go and print your own rockets. So that being said, be careful, because once you start printing them and then the kids start asking what other colors you have, you end up with a bazillion rockets. But that's okay, because they get launched every single day. And these kids are all looking at me, and they're waiting, and they're waiting. And then they are all over. So I highly recommend going and finding that song and listening to it. And if you want to print up your own rocket, go to our website and get that file. And you can also email if you have questions about printing or designing or anything. Love to see you.